Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by verifying prerequisites: a Tradingview account, a MetaTrader 5 account with broker login, and a reliable computer or VPS. Download the chosen bridge service or WebSocket to Mt5 adapter and the matching expert advisor file for Mt5. Install the adapter on your server and the EA into the Mt5 experts folder, then restart the terminal. Ensure automated trading is enabled in Mt5 options, and check that ports like 443 or the adapter's specified port are not blocked by your firewall. Open Tradingview and set up alerts on the chart or strategy you want to execute on Mt5. In the alert dialog, paste the bridge-provided webhook URL, then craft the message body as JSON including fields like symbol, side, size, and order type. Choose alert actions, once per bar, close, or real-time, depending on risk. Save alerts and use the bridge dashboard to map Tradingview symbols to Mt5 instruments, adjusting volume conversion and slippage tolerances. Test alerts with a demo or 0.01 lot to confirm behavior. After configuring, run systematic tests. Trigger Tradingview alerts and watch the bridge logs and Mt5 experts and journal tabs for incoming JSON parse entries or order rejection codes. Troubleshoot common issues: symbol mismatches, decimal lot conversions, and insufficient margin. Tweak the bridge mapping, convert sizes, for example, 0.01 lot equals 1 micro lot, and set acceptable slippage in pips. Begin on a demo account and require multiple successful executions across different market conditions before transitioning to live trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.